I'll video this one. And that's the 80 Mac. It's like a trash 9. Check it out. Second car in. See if I can get the roller bearings in there. Yep. Once you get all your cars weathered up and everything, that's what it's going to look like, the roller bearings.
Oh, yeah.
Quite a few Conrail C3R12s in there. Look at that old bastard. No reporting marks? I don't see any. You know, nobody could say that, oh, you have too heavy weathering on your cars, you know. They can't, because cars weather in different places though. Data only. That's where the derailment was at. Still has the welded rail. That one's got a flat wheel. They're NS hoppers. Those dark cars. I remember we used to hear that all the time on the branch. Look at the clack. Is that you or me?
Hey.
Is that the missus? Another Conrail. Don't see them, too much of them anymore. Nice. I remember when they came out of Sam Ray, out at Hollidaysburg car shops. This is a long bastard. Drunken Solik. Gotta get pictures of these Conrail hoppers because they might not be around tomorrow. SD40s ain't around here no more. SD40-2s, they're down in Virginia on the Pocahontas because of their attractive effort. They can haul full Yeah. They have that longer wheelbase on the SD40-2s. Yep. SD50s have no problem. There we go. This Conrail quality looks like an H43D. Some of them cars might last another 20 years, you know, in that color. Figure some of them H43s are pushing, what, 50 years of service now? So they would, well, as long as they're still running and they're rebuilt, won't they get more years of service out of them? Union Pacific's, most of their cars are bottom, or they have the bathtub type cars. They don't use too many discharge cars anymore. There's one of the older rebuilds right there.
Yep.
70-ton. Rebuilt with a
FDC one.
Yep. I remember in the 90s, I built one of them in the 90s using an MDC hopper. And I took an E&C, some type of a kit. Took the E&C tubs out of an E&C bathtub gondola. And then I took styrene, went around it, and this is going to be a long video. Just rolled by. 7 minutes and 15 seconds so far. I like videos like this where the train just creeps by. It's fun to watch. Are you Railfan Susanna? Yep, rabbit fanning. There we go. Can you see okay? Mm-hmm. Okay. Another Conrail. I remember at one time I had the C3R12 that was built in Hollidaysburg. I had 36 of those. And the Walthers, I had 4 sets of the six car set, all different numbers. I had about 60 hoppers total, about 60 or 70 hoppers, just bottom dump hoppers. Another one. There's one that escaped NS paint so far. You think he's going to need any helpers?
No,
he is slowing down to a crawl.
Might be on a restricting, it looks like.
Think there could be a derailment somewhere?
Yeah.
I like those EOTs. Get a close-up shot of the EOT. Oh. It's the only thing bad about nighttime